Google Sitekit for WordPress has been hacked. This vulnerability can expose your Google Search Console access to a third party in order to get control of your Google Search Console, remove web pages from Google, and crush your keywords ranking. Anytime you install a third-party plugin on your WordPress site, you run the risk of exposing your site to hackers and also crappy code from crappy developers. Make sure you're always updating your plugins so your access cannot be compromised by a third party. A breach of your personal records, a breach of your website can destroy the trust of your business, so you have to ensure you're using the highest level of security. In this case, researchers from WordFence, a security plugin from WordPress, have found this issue when Google started to patch it around the 21st of April and pushed that new update May 7th. So if you're using this plugin, delete it. It doesn't really do anything except show you your metrics and your numbers that you can find both in Google Analytics and Google Search Console. You don't need another plugin to slow down your WordPress site, because the more plugins you have, the slower your website's performance will be, and that maps to poor SEO results. Interesting how a plugin from Google could potentially slow down your site and crush your SEO, because a third party can go in there and inject black hat tactics to your site without you even knowing in some cases. So a lot of businesses can be scratching their head. You don't know if you were exposed to this hack or not. So I would make sure you go ahead and remove this app and try to use something like Yoast or Rank Math in order to optimize your site, and ignore these silly apps that Google is trying to make. Google has been obsessed with increasing the adoption of its tools. However, this is why SEOs and digital marketers exist, because we're the ones that decode the geek and make it into business language. So if you've had any issues with your SEO plugins or security with your WordPress, drop me a comment here below. Thanks for watching. Now, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every day I'm publishing videos on growth hacking, digital marketing, how to be a successful entrepreneur. I really want to enable you to become a decision maker in your own business in the future of work. So if you want to come along with me on this journey, hit subscribe, hit notifications, and I'll talk to you real soon.